advantage of this managed dialogue is that it has brought a large number of stakeholders, especially extension practitioners working from a diverse sector. And this is an opportunity, where they shared their learnings, how they have done many interventions, what challenges they have faced, what they have learned in the whole program implementation. So this is a great learning, but I think we need to organize more such events than it become a one-time event, and we need to get a lot more maybe researchers and faculty to come and listen to these presentations. Then only we will be able to have some kind of an institutional learning will happen. Agricultural innovation systems recognizes that a number of actors with varied knowledge are needed for innovation to happen, and we need to have an impact at a scale. It recognizes actors in the knowledge production space, knowledge intermediation space, even the role of entrepreneurs, other advisory service providers, including the policy and the other support system. This is an opportunity for extension to reinvent its role, that to become a great or a more efficient intermediary that connect the different actors in the system. Traditional extension role is only around being an intermediary between only research and farmers, but then this is an opportunity. If you use agricultural innovation systems, it provides an opportunity for extension to reorient and identify new roles. Public sector extension is not adequately equipped to deal with any of these three challenges. A lot more needs to be done, especially in terms of building capacities at different levels, not only at the individual level, but also at the organizational level and the enabling environment level. If we have to simultaneously address all these different challenges. We can learn from the National Rural Livelihood Mission, which they have made the community resource persons are accountable to the community. As of now, our extension people are not accountable to the community. So it is not very demand driven, or it is not very inclusive. So we need to make mechanism, we need to make some changes in the mandate, we need to make some changes in the organizational policies if we have to really make our public sector system demand driven and inclusive.